In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DuckDuckGo email protection. If you're looking to reduce trackers in your inbox and hide your real email address, this feature makes it simple. It creates a private @duck.com address that forwards messages to your regular inbox after removing hidden tracking pixels and link trackers. You continue using your usual email app. DuckDuckGo just adds a protective layer in between. First, open the DuckDuckGo browser or app on your device. This is where email protection lives, so there's nothing extra to install if you already use the DuckDuckGo browser. Give it a moment to load so all settings are available. Next, look to the top right corner and tap or click the three-line menu icon, often called the hamburger menu. Depending on your device, it may sit near the address bar. If your screen is small, you might need to scroll slightly to see it. From that menu, choose Settings. This is where all privacy features are organized. If you don't see settings right away, expand the menu or look for an option labeled something like App Settings or Browser Settings. Just make sure you land in the main settings area. Inside Settings, find and select Email Protection. This section explains how the service works and what enabling it will do. You'll typically see a short description about removing trackers and forwarding messages to your existing inbox. Now, click Enable Email Protection. Turning this on activates the feature for your browser. You might see a brief explanation or confirmation screen. Enabling doesn't replace your current email account. It simply gives you a protective address that forwards messages privately. From here, choose how you want to proceed. If you're brand new, select Get Started. This will guide you to create your @duck.com address, which you can share with websites, newsletters, or any service that asks for an email. Messages sent to your Duck address will arrive in your normal inbox with trackers removed, and you'll often see a small note indicating what was blocked. If you already have a Duck address, select I already have a Duck address. That option lets you connect your existing email protection setup so you can manage it directly from the DuckDuckGo app or browser. A few helpful tips as you finish. Consider saving your Duck address somewhere you can easily copy it and use it whenever you don't want to expose your real email. If you ever need to stop messages from a sender, you can disable or delete a specific private address later. That's all there is to it: simple, private, and in your control.